Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Nur Jamil from 11 TKG2. I will present about how to set up a Wi-Fi router. Materials: 1. Wi-Fi router, 2. Ethernet cable, 3. Modem, 4. Smartphone, tablet or computer, 5. Power adapter for the router. Steps: First, unbox the router. Open the router's packaging and take out all the components. You should have the router, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and possibly a user manual. Then, place the router in a central location. Position the router in a central area of your home or office to ensure the Wi-Fi signal reaches as many rooms as possible. Avoid placing the router near thick walls or metal objects that might block the signal. Then connect the router to the modem. If you have a separate modem, such as one provided by your internet service provider, use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem's Ethernet port to the router's WAN or wide area network or internet port. This is the port typically located at the back of the router. After that, plug in the router. Connect the router's power adapter to an electrical outlet. Once plugged in, you should see indicator lights on the router turning on, showing that it is receiving power and is operational. After that, access the router setup page. Open a web browser on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Type the router's IP address into the browser address bar. Common IP addresses are 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. You can find the correct IP addresses in the router's manual or on a sticker attached to the device itself. Press enter and the router's login page should appear. Then log in to the router. Enter the full username and password usually listed in the router's manual or on the device sticker. Common defaults are admin for both the username and password. If prompted, change the login credentials to something more secure for privacy reasons. Then set up the Wi-Fi network. Once logged in, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings page. You'll typically see options for the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Change the SSID network name to something easily retrievable but secure. It's best not to use personal information in the network name. Create a strong Wi-Fi password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This ensures that unauthorized users cannot access your network. After that, configure additional settings. Some routers allow you to set up advanced features such as parental controls, guest network, or quality of service or QoS to prioritize certain types of traffic. Configure the settings according to your preference. You can also choose to enable security protocols like WPA3 or WPA2 to protect your Wi-Fi network from hackers. Then connect device to the Wi-Fi network on your smartphone, tablet, or your computer. Search for the Wi-Fi network you just created, select the network, and enter the password you set up earlier to connect. Test the connection by browsing the internet or streaming content to ensure everything is working properly. After that, update router firmware. Check the router settings for any firmware updates Updating the firmware ensures that your router has the latest security patches and performance improvements. Follow the instruction in the router settings to update if necessary. Then secure the router. Once your network is set up, make sure to change the router's default administrator or username and password to something secure. This will prevent others from accessing the router's configuration page. And enjoy your Wi-Fi network. Your Wi-Fi router is now set up and your device should be able to connect to the network. Enjoy reliable internet access for browsing, gaming, streaming, and more. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.